Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the TV input and power. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port, then connect the official power adapter. This ensures stable power. Once done, use the TV remote to select that HDMI input. Do not rely on generic labels. Make sure the Chromecast LED shows active white. If it blinks, leave it a moment. Now open your phone or laptop. You will use the Google Home app to finish setup. Because it handles Wi-Fi, you open Google Home and tap Setup Device. The app scans for new Chromecast hardware and shows a short code on the TV. Confirm that code so you know you're pairing the right unit. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The Chromecast needs the same network as your phone for casting. Make sure to name the device and assign a room so voice commands and multi-room groups work later. If prompted, update firmware now. It often fixes streaming bugs. You start casting by opening a supported app and tapping the cast icon, then selecting your Chromecast. Once streaming, adjust TV input settings for best picture. Choose HDMI mode that enables full color and resolution. If video stutters, reduce phone background apps or lower stream quality in the app. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast by unplugging it for 10 seconds, restart your router, and confirm both devices are on the same network. This simple restore resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.